Hello, what's up guys? How's it going? This is Dr. Crypto here. We are back with another market update session. Today we will also analyze BTC on 4-hour time frame, and monthly close is also very important. So we're gonna analyze two time frames today. One is the 4-hour time frame and the other is the monthly time frame. Okay. Currently BTC is around 20k while I am recording this video. On my previous market update, BTC was probably around this area when I told you that it will take a drop and then it will bounce. So if you want to confirm this, you can go back to my previous market update and you can confirm this all move. BTC was at this area. I told you it will drop and it will bounce. Okay, so today we will also analyze BTC on 4-hour time frame, and this is the move that I discussed with my VIPs all. I will show you the proof also at the end of the video, but this is the move that I told my VIPs before this happened. Okay, so currently BTC is trading around 20k while I am recording the video. Let's jump into the video without any further delay. What we are expecting right now, still as I told you from my previous market updates, this is the protected low and this is the protected high, because this was the high and this high got broken and break of structure took place at that area. Okay, here is the break of structure, but this for now is the protected high and this is the protected low. As far as we are above this protected low, we will find long opportunities. What would be our targets? Our targets would be the area of inefficiencies. The first target was this, and this all took place by this move up, and the next target is these low node areas on volume profile. So what will happen right now? Currently BTC is pumping. Yes, it's around 20k, but before getting into long position, you have to wait a little for it. What are those zones for which you have to wait? The zones are basically 19,600 to 19,000. Basically this is the inefficiency area left, 18,600. Okay, so basically BTC, if you are going to get into long position, then you have to wait for 19,600 towards 18,900. So these two are the zones if you are looking for to get into long position. What would be your targets? Currently I am also expecting this move. I am expecting a small drop in price, then move up, small drop price, because this move up is the liquidation of those traders who are short from these two areas. Okay, so maybe they were trading this trend line or whatsoever they are, but this move up is the liquidation of those long positions, which are basically the retail traders. Okay, so what are we expecting? We are expecting move down then move up. Okay, break of structure right here, then move down and targeting these areas. Okay, so this is the move that I am expecting on 4-hour time frame. Let's jump into a monthly time frame. That's basically more important than this small move. But before we get into monthly time frame, I would like to show you the proof that we predicted a perfect move for my VIPs. This was the trade that we traded with my VIPs uni, that gave us almost 120% profit in just 20x levels. Okay, this was the AVIX trade that we traded with you guys as well. This is the uni trade that we traded with my VIPs, and you can see our gains section is full of greenery. Okay, so basically this was the signal. If it gets loaded, the uni trade, the sushi trade, and a tvk we traded with 15% non-leverage profit. Okay, so we trade spot as well, futures as well. Okay, this is my trade ideas section that where these guys post their trade ideas about market. Okay, so BTC was around this area when we predicted that it gonna take drop, then gonna bounce towards 20k. You can see this old chart, and now see this chart. So this was the perfect move that we predicted for my VIPs, drop and bounce. If you wanna join us on my VIP, you can DM me on Twitter or Telegram. I will let you know what's the criteria to join me on my VIP. So we are on BTC USD monthly time frame. This chart is very important. Basically it's messed up, but I will try to show you the candle. Here we have this candle. You might call this a dodgy candle, but whatsoever you call it, it is an important a DC candle, because those who are students from my mentorship VIP, they know what is DC candle and how to trade this. Okay, so this is basically an important DC candle. If this candle closes above 19,500 or this candle closes above 20,100, our target for the month of October would be 25,000. Okay, is it clear for you? It should be. So if the DC candle, the current monthly candle, if this candle closes above 19,500 or above 20,100, then there are lots of chances that, and in the month of October the price will not fall below 17,900. So I can fail also, my analysis can be wrecked up also. Okay, so this does not mean that I am 100% accurate in market always. Okay, so this is today's market update session. Hope so it's clear for you to predict the chart on 4 hour as well monthly. So make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel and join me on Telegram for free trading signals, and make sure to follow me on Twitter as well. So that's enough for today. Thank you very much.